Today, I'm going to show you how I built 4 new AI SEO websites automated with Bolt.new. This is super fast and easy to do. I break down the whole process. So this is a new website we set up last week. It's already gone from 0 on a brand new domain to 264 clicks. You can see it ranking on Ahrefs already. And this is a domain rating 0 website. I automated the whole process and timed it live to show you exactly how I came up with the keywords, how to find the domains, how to deploy it, how to set this up for yourself, and why this is so powerful. Now, the other thing here is about this website is that it's ranking #1 inside ChatGPT, as you can see, and it's also ranking at the top of Bing right here. So what we're going to do now is build out more of these and do it in a way where we actually time how long it takes to set these up, just so I can show you how easy and simple the process is. The first stage is to find tool or calculator related keywords. Essentially what we're doing here is we're just going to find like a bunch of easy keywords as a short list that we could create sites around. For example, we can go into Ahrefs. You can do this on Google autocomplete if you've never done it before. Then from here, we can search for like keyword difficulty 10 or less. And ideally, we want to see like, I would say a DR 10 or less ranking on the top page 20 in this particular niche. Because obviously SEO is a lot more competitive than everything else out there. Now, also when you're doing this, I would be careful of like going after brand names, but I will find a bunch of other stuff. So we can see here, for example, like cheap SEO tool. We can plug that into our shortlist. We got SEO cost calculator tool. That could be quite a good one. You can see how easy this is to find relevant keywords in whatever niche you're in. And if you're running out of ideas, just ask ChatGPT, like, what are some tools or what are some stuff people would type in around my particular niche. If you're starting a new website from scratch as well, like you do want to go after really easy opportunities, but it's kind of like a compromise between, okay, what's easy to rank for and what's relevant to my niche, right? So I've got all the tabs lined up for all the keywords and websites that I want to create with AI. Now we're going to set the timer and we will use this prompt to generate the websites based on our target keywords. So we're going to hit the timer, see how long this takes. Now we've got this default prompt that actually creates the website based not just on the keyword, but also on the SEO optimization that we want to do for the website. And also it's going to optimize the page in terms of conversion rate optimization so that we've got the best possible chance of not just getting the traffic, but also converting it into leads as well. So now we're going to take the keywords, the keyword combiner tool is the next one, and Bolt is already generating the code for the other 2 websites. So I was waiting for that. This is the 4th and final website I'm going to create today. We'll take a CPC calculator as the keyword. And you can see it's pretty simple. Like you just copy and paste a keyword into the prompt, and then it's going to go off and deploy it like you can see right here. And it's created our page, my friend. How easy was that? So now you can test it if you want to. I'm just going to keep it really simple. I think we'll put backlinks as an example. Hit analyze SEO, and there we go. We've got it ready to go. This one is ready to go. This one. But you can see how easy it is just to set this up. So we've got 3 websites ready to go. And that final one is done. That was incredibly easy. And we did it in less than 2 minutes. So now what we're going to do is we're going to hit deploy on each of these. And this will just deploy them so that they go live and we can get them published on Netlify with an exact match domain. Now, if you look at the actual prompt, this is based on what worked for me in the website that I showed you is already ranking. Create a 1-page website for a tool about X. Embed the tool after paragraph 1. You can see there's a paragraph and then there's the tool. Write some content about how to use the tool, include some FAQs, answering relevant questions about the tool. That would just make your content more contextually relevant. And also it just improves the user experience of the website as well. And then we also want a pop-up advertising whatever funnel you want to send that traffic to encourage people to book in free traffic. The main thing here is there's no point getting traffic if you're not converting it. So that's the goal of the whole page. And then write the content in first person. And so now we have the page that's already been deployed, as you can see. And the tool itself looks pretty nice. The UI is pretty nice. It's all tailored and customized. And there's no spam here, right? It's just super simple, really useful. If we actually look at that website that's already ranking, it's very similar, right? That's exactly how we built the page. You can see the keyword throughout the page. And what we can do from here is we can just set up an exact match domain for the keyword that we want to rank, right? So for example, if the keyword is free SEO analyzer tool, then we're going to buy that domain if it is available. So if we click on this link, that's going to take us to Netlify. Now from here, we can open up the domain we just built, add projects to dashboard. If we click on that, we can click on set up a custom domain. And if the keyword is, for example, free SEO analyzer tool, then we're going to try and get that in the domain name it might not be available. Let's check. And it is available to register. So the keyword matches the title of the website. And you don't have to set up a new domain for this. It's just, this is what's working for me. And I only show stuff that's actually working for me. But once that's done, you can then just get an HTTPS certificate that'll make your website secure. So just to recap on the process, you're going to find like really easy keywords around your niche. Then from there, you would use this prompt and customize it with that keyword that you're trying to rank for. So now from here, what we're going to do is just deploy the rest of the websites. Some people are going to say like, are you spamming with AI or something like that? But the thing is, you're creating something of value that's not already out there, and you're customizing it to your business, and you're creating a better user experience, because this website is way faster and easier to use than like a normal sort of WordPress blog or an affiliate website, etc. It's absolutely amazing how quick and easy it is to set up these websites. And of course, like, you can get them ranking pretty quickly too. If we plug in Keyword Combiner tool right there, register that domain. It's actually amazing that all of these domains are available. And I love the fact that the hosting and the DNS, etc., is just set up automatically inside Netlify. So we'll set up all the domains right here. Now you want to deploy these domains. So as an example of that, let's go back to our websites over here. And then, for example, if we want to check out, say, freeseoanalyzer.com, and we want to set up, say, Google Search Console, it's pretty simple. So if we just go to add a property, we'll take the website URL, so you can see, plug that into the domain over here, hit continue, and then we're going to set up this TXT inside the DNS of this website. So if we go to site configuration over here, and then we'll scroll down, just copy that inside Google Search Console, then go to your domain that you want to verify this for, go to domain management on the left-hand side over here, and then options, go to DNS panel, right? Add a new record. Then from here, we're going to select TXT. We'll keep the name the same. We'll add in the value like so. We'll hit save. And if we go back to Google Search Console, as you can see, hit verify. It is verified. So fast and easy to do. I would also highly recommend to make sure that you have your website set up inside Bing as well, right? And this is not just because Bing, of course, is useful to rank for, but from what I've seen in the tests that I've run previously, ChatGPT search's index seems to be linked directly to Bing's index, right? So basically, importing your data from Google Search Console to Bing is more important than ever before. Right? And the other cool thing about this is you don't really need to worry about indexing, because it's just a one-page domain. That's pretty much it. It might take like 48 hours to get that processed and indexed, but if it's a one-page website, it should be super simple and fast to do. So thanks so much for watching. That is how I built 4 new AI SEO websites in just a couple of minutes using Bolt.new. And if you want the whole process broken down into an SP, as you can see here, on top of that, I've actually broken it down into like a step-by-step process. What I'm going to do is plug that into my free community, link in the comments description. If you just go to the classroom, as you can see, and then go to the AI SEO course, scroll down to the Bolt.new playlist, and inside here, I'm going to add a new page called 4 New Sites in 2 Minutes. And you can get the recipe right there. If you want to get a free one-to-one SEO strategy session, feel free to book them. We'll show you how we take websites from 0 to 145,000 visits a month and generate thousands of dollars in sales on autopilot. On this link building acceleration session, which is completely free, you'll get a free SEO domination plan, discover the secrets of link building, we'll answer any questions you have one-to-one. You'll learn the best link building strategy for your website, plus how to quickly outrank your competitors in link building, how to 10x your SEO traffic based on what's working for us. Link in the comments description. Thanks so much for watching. Appreciate it. Bye.